On July 24, 1989, an SOS distress signal was discovered, deep in the mountains of Daisetsuzan, Hokkaido. Alongside it, scattered bones, a mysterious tape recording, and unanswered questions. This shocking case started as a simple hiking disappearance, but soon evolved into one of Japan's most perplexing unsolved mysteries, filled with eerie coincidences and chilling secrets. July 24, 1989. Daisetsuzan, Hokkaido, Japan. On the afternoon of July 24, 1989, the Hokkaido police launched a helicopter search operation in response to a distress call regarding two missing male hikers in their 20s. During the search, approximately 8,000 feet away from the hiking trail, they discovered a massive SOS signal made of fallen logs in the upper reaches of the Jubetsu River. The sign measured over 16 feet in width and would have required at least 2 to 3 adult men working together for several hours to construct. The logs, at least 100 logs, each several feet long, were deliberately arranged, indicating a purposeful attempt to call for help. However, when the missing hikers were safely rescued in a different northern area, they claimed to have no knowledge of the SOS signal. This led the police to suspect the presence of a third missing person and prompted an additional search. The next day, a helicopter team returned to the site and uncovered human bone fragments, showing signs of animal bites, along with a gray backpack. Inside the bag were 4 cassette tapes, containing a man's desperate cries for help, a handwritten note reading, "SOS, help me, and I'm trapped on a cliff and cannot move." Other items included toiletries, a radio, and a protective amulet. When authorities conducted forensic tests on the bones, they made a startling discovery. The remains were initially thought to belong to Kenji Iwamura, who had gone missing in the same region in July 1984. However, medical examiners at Asahikawa Medical University determined that the bones belonged to a female aged about 25 with type O blood. This contradicted initial expectations. Further investigations confirmed that the remains belonged to Kenji's missing girlfriend, and additional discoveries nearby, including a male skeleton and Kenji's driver's license, confirmed his own fate. The real mystery was the gray backpack. Kenji's family insisted that neither the bag nor its contents belonged to him, and even the voice on the tape recordings didn't match. His DNA analysis further revealed that the backpack had no genetic connection to Kenji or his girlfriend. Instead, it hinted at the presence of an unknown third individual. Adding to the confusion, a second bag was discovered near the SOS site, containing a tissue package manufactured in 1983, a manga titled Magical Princess Minky, and an insurance document. DNA from this second bag matched the DNA found on the gray backpack, confirming that both belonged to the same unidentified person. However, their remains were never found. The true origin of the SOS signal. The SOS sign was large and intentionally built, requiring multiple adults to construct over several hours. However, the rescued hikers claimed that they did not make it. The timeline of the sign's creation was also unclear. If Kenji and his girlfriend disappeared in 1984, and the tissue package was manufactured in 1983, why did the sign remain unnoticed until 1989? The mystery of the cassette tape. The recordings contained detailed pleas for help, including the words, "The vegetation is too dense. I cannot climb up." However, the voice did not match Kenji's or his girlfriend's. This suggested that a third individual had recorded the tapes sometime before 1989. But why were their belongings found near Kenji and his girlfriend's remains? The overlapping disappearances. Forensic analysis of the discovered belongings revealed that, first, the unknown third individual had items from 1983. Second, Kenji and his girlfriend disappeared in 1984. Third, the SOS signal and tapes were only discovered in 1989. This suggested that multiple unrelated cases of missing persons had somehow converged in the same place, years apart. The treacherous mountain terrain and the challenges of search and rescue operations may have played a significant role in this eerie coincidence. More than 30 years later, the truth behind the Daisetsuzan SOS incident remains unknown. Was this a tragic case of overlapping disappearances? Or does something more sinister lurk within the mountains of Hokkaido? What do you think happened? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life mysteries.